Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Welcome to ComputerChick Production News. What we know of the Russian hack. Computer hack poses grave risk. As of 5:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, federal, state, local governments, private companies, and organizations that this is a bigger hack than what we think. Some of our nuclear secrets. And Trump hasn't made public mention of the hack, but it was the largest SolarWinds based in Austin, Texas. And I've dealt with SolarWinds. Some big corporations have SolarWinds. And 300,000 customers. 300,000 customers. Kennedy Space Center is affected as well. They use SolarWinds. This is bigger than what we thought. And what are they going to do? This has been your update from ComputerChick Production News. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. And if any updates on this hack, I will keep you informed. Thank you and have a nice day.